Mobe Singh issues challenge to Tommy Lee. But is Shane E, as they say, just looking at hype? The flanker resident talks about gun lyrics and staying relevant whilst also hoping for more blessings.
Shane E, born Theophilus Edwards, lives in Flankers, a tough part of Mobe. This interview in tone, but much of what he says referencing the second city. TJ and Tommy Lee better known, but Shane E, like them, rising on the strength of songs both violent and positive.
So all them a fight, none of me no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river water.
Gone sleep and blessings as different in message as night and day.
Behave yourself, yeah. Like Glock, no safe it.
No use pretending gun lyrics aren't popular, but do they contribute to the killing? Is the cost of becoming and remaining relevant too high?
Mobe, flanker, good community. Community no bad. Right now, nobody in a flanker now war. No gun now bus. Despite all what go on and all what they say about Mobe, we are the topic now and we are going to make this happen.
People are dropping violent lyrics now. Is that because you just have to deliver that to be real on the street?
As when you say violence, lyrics, it's not real like we are telling you to get up and go out and really go do things. We are entertainer. We have to do what we have to do to keep our career on the forefront and maintain our streams.
We not talk if we not do it. How we go street? They travel with the shark teeth.
We artists might get up and we do two gunman song and it take off. It's not like we are portrait that.
Fact of the matter is that some of your most popular songs are the ones that are violent.
Yeah.
And I guess people have to ask themselves why. Why do you think that's the case?
The ghettos, where the youths them grew up in. Artists sing about what them live, what them learn, what them see. You understand? So we talk about it in our music. We express ourselves with positive message, but it's up to the people them to take on to what they want to gravitate. We can't force them to listen to what they want to listen, you know. We do blessings. If they don't want to listen to blessings, we can't tell them to listen to blessings. No, we do go and sleep and then run, we go and sleep and go and sleep. Right? So we go back to that them board there and find something we go match up to go and sleep, we feed we fans them. Because we have to stay relevant in our eyesight, our public.
Other people watching on will say, right now Jamaica is really running red hot. And does that make it worse when a lot of the music that the youngsters in the garrisons are listening to are violent songs?
If Jamaica Defense Force can't stop it, JCF can't stop it, how the artists them go do it? We just put out with music, as me tell you, we not tell nobody if you go take up gun and go over there so go do nothing. We just do our music because everybody around with there say that bad. So from that bad, we go feed it with what bad, because we as entertainers, we come to entertain the crowd and to make ourselves relevant. So once that bad, we go give you what you want.
That's right.
The type of music where we put out people, we say artists are supply and whatever, but I know every artist do that, because I put out violent lyrics. I'm not violent. I'm humble, I'm calm. I'm jovial, I deal with everybody. But at the end of the day, I go put out a music out as what I tell you to stay relevant. So if I that go make me stay relevant in the public eyesight, I go do it. The negativity, you turn it into positive. When you get the eyes of the public what you need, you make them know what you're capable of and what you come to bring to the forefront.
We not in a face, what do me weather? People have it, we feel better.
Everybody have them style, but I know everybody are entertain crowd nowadays. And as I tell you, me a dancehall future, me a entertainer now as what? The drag lord.
Drag lord!
Jamaica never take on to certain a shady music at one point. But Trinidad give me a big strength. Trinidad run with blessings, Trinidad run with gone sleep. Me can't be ungrateful. I have to give thanks to Trinidad. Trinidad first, recognize Shane. I touch Trinidad and come like a god. That's why you say crime and violence and whatever. Trinidad have a crime rate over there just like Jamaica, even worse than Jamaica. So them take on to the violent type of music more.
And all them attack, it no really matter. So all them a fight, none of me no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river water.
2015, I just come to the forefront. with a violent single, 100 Duppy. Whole Western Jamaica run with that. I highlight other artists. Them get the popularity before me. More be a time now, and the reason being we style different, we flow different, rhythm them different, everything unique. I just a different style to dance and more be a bring.
You know, people are saying that a lot of these trap beats that a lot of the DJs are writing right now aren't really Jamaican, but it's what the youngsters are listening to. Is that true?
If I'm not Jamaican, if I'm not American, if I'm not English, either work for Mobi and we are work with it. So if they want to say I know hardcore dancehall or whatever, make them say what they want to say. We say a dancehall, because dancehall we do.
But hip-hop has more of an influence on Jamaican dancehall right now than ever before. Would you agree?
Yeah, I would agree to that. But as what I say, a dancehall we are dealing with. So if we even get a hip-hop rhythm and we merge it with a little dancehall beat, dancehall we say, our genre, right there so.
When you were starting out in the business, who did you look to in terms of like, you know, other DJs, established people out there? Who was your influence? Who were the people that kind of, you know, were an inspiration?
To be honest, my biggest inspiration and motivation for the music is Corey Merital, my cousin who passed.
What happened to your cousin, by the way? In case people don't know the story.
Everybody know the story now, Anthony. Watch up, you can know the story, you know.
But it's interesting to hear you talk about it, because it's your cousin.
And you know, I don't want to discuss it. I swear I don't want to discuss that.
Why?
That is just a tragic accident. Where I don't really want to talk about that. In a real life, but R.I.P. to Corey Merital, my mentor, my idol.
But fair to say that people will have a different perspective on the violence when it's close to home.
I mean, no pre no violence towards it, because everybody have their time for it. You have to born, you have to die. I just film time.
How old are you, by the way?
29.
But why not earlier for you? What happened?
It's never too late for your shower, really. Probably earlier, I never see any time. You have to sit and wait your turn. Probably I never mind so many people want to hear at the time. I see any them want to hear now. So I see any them I run with now.
Different lifestyle is a life me a talk about.
If you notice, we come with a style where we bring more melody in our music. If we bring in more melody, we even draw the words them more than even the Kingston artists. So we bring a different style to it. So when people hear it as they hear it, they can catch it.
Give me an example right now. Just give me a line and then
as what I show you, all them a fine, no me no shatter. Blessings still a flow like a river water. I'm sure you can sing that.
Still a hustle hard for me son and daughter. Man still a kicky leather like a baby gardener.
We grew up in our community. Everybody want know say them stand and them represent them parish, them community or anything. People are say, family, I bodies, prove yourself. Because me say me I this. And I want a we can stand, you know, so you have to prove yourself. So all what me have to do, I throw 2 shades at family. If you don't answer, then you're a coward. It's simple as that.
So what you're saying is that he never answered?
Me don't know if he answer, if he throw shades or what. I know me other shades are 5.
But if you're Tommy Lee and you're kind of like a better known DJ, and you know maybe your career is a little bit more advanced, why is he going to pay attention to you?
No, that's
though?
what they always come and say about them bigger than him and him a little boy. I mean, I give him no highlight and no that. Your fans them want you prove yourself. Prove yourself. No man no bigger than no man, because every man have their day.
Why does he have to prove himself?
I mean, if you say your body's thing, I'm gonna throw shades after you, you mean, stand up and defend yourself. Defend yourself and show the world. Say you are the baddest thing. Defend yourself. Defend your title, because I'm going to take it.
So you think you've taken that title?
Long time. You know, say Tamil not.
Well, he has a blessing song that's racking up a lot
that
of
views. That I run
views.
with people topic. Tamil not. As an artist, we're on the forefront. For how long? How long it take him to find back blessings? Answer that for me now. How long it take him to find back blessings? Tamil not. You just get a popular song now.
What about unity in Mobe? I thought all of you guys were unified and marching forward.
As what I say, a lyrical battle.
So you have nothing personal
Not
against
personal.
Tommy?
Not personal. Me and him have a personal issue. As what I say, despite anything what people want to say and whatever happened, that get put aside long time.
So Tommy Lee's the only person you're challenging, or you're challenging anybody else?
I don't hear nobody else.
You challenging TJ?
No. No need for challenge TJ.
But you need to challenge Tommy Lee.
As TJ tell us, in I own a lane. If I own a lane, so we don't even challenge TJ. But as what I say, I say, I'm going to be a godfather. I'm saying I'm a godfather. Only one godfather can stand. So you have to go defend your title. So I go throw shades because I want my title, you know. And I stand. I know I'm not fall. I'm sure of that.
Man still a kicky leather like a baby Ghana.
Whole heap of night I bleach a studio. Whole heap of time. I bleach pan producer for rhythm. No producer for bleach pan me for voice.
That's Shane E. If his gone sleep is too much of an eye-opener, there's always blessings.
Man still a kicky leather like a baby Ghana.